Dear students, welcome to the online class. Today we will discuss on Moral Science Chapter 3. The title of the chapter is The Window. We will go through the lesson. Ram and Rahim were lying in the adjacent beds in the same room on the third floor of the city hospital. Both of them were chronic patients and were not allowed to move from their beds. However, the nurses would come and make Ram sit in the bed intermittently for some time to help facilitate the draining of fluids which got accumulated in his lungs. Here is discussing about the emotions of two friends, Ram and Rahim. They were chronic patients and admitted in the city hospital, and they were lying in the adjacent beds, and they were used to talk about something, and Ram is sitting nearby a window. Nurses both are lying patients, and nurses would come and meet them, and whenever they are coming they would help Ram to sit. It helped him to look at the window and seeing the sceneries or the things happening outside world. But Rahim was lying far away from a window, and nurses did not help him to sit. Also, he was unable to watch through the window. He was lying near the window and was able to look outside when made to sit in the bed. Since Rahim was lying away from the window and was not allowed to sit up, he could not see what was happening in the outside world. So, the emotions of two friends. One is able to see the things happening in the outside world, and the other is not allowed to watch the things in the outside because he cannot sit. He is a lying patient. As the two men had nothing else to do, they would engage in conversations and used to talk about everything in the universe. So they became friends after they reached into the hospital, but gradually with the conversation they became friends, and gradually they would talk about everything under the universe. They used to talk about the school days, college days, how they achieved their jobs, their families, parents, friends, etc. and etc. Everything they will talk about. They talked about their childhood days, the fun they had in the school and college days, they had in the school and college, the struggle they had to endure to get good jobs, and so on. They also talked about their better halves, about their parents, relatives, and children, and also about their neighbors. Both of them were so sad that they could accomplish only a part of their dreams. They became very close friends, and this was a great comfort for both of them during their painful stay at the hospital. They were very good friends. So, how they became friends? They became friends through the conversations they have made each other. So, naturally, whatever the things are happening around the world, they used to talk, and the conversation make them very good friends, and this is the only one comfort in the hospital they have enjoyed. One day, Rahim made a request to Ram. You are lying down near the window, and the nurse pops you up from time to time. You can see what is happening in the outside world. Lying down here for many months, I have no idea of the outside world. Can you describe me what is happening over there? Ram agreed and started with narrations of what he would see. outside through the window. One day, Rahim made a request to Ram. My dear Ram, you are sitting nearby the window. Nurses would always come for your help and they are helping you to sit, which help you to see the things happening around the world or things happening outside the window. But I am unable to see anything. Can you please describe the things happening outside world? Ram agreed his request and agreed, I will describe everything that is I am watching from outside world. There is a beautiful park outside. I can see children wearing dresses of different colors in the park. So Ram started the narration of the things he is watching through the window. Firstly, he started about a park. He talked about a park, and he could see many things are happening in the park. He saw some students or children. They came to the park with colorful dresses. They also saw many moms and many people. Mothers are sitting and chatting. And he is describing about different scenes are happening in the park. Some youngsters are also roaming around the park, holding their hands. Some other youngsters are just roaming throughout the park. There is a big oak tree in the park. Many birds have made their nest on it. See, he is also talking about an oak tree, and he is describing the birds are coming and sitting on the branches of oak tree and making nest. They are making nest. They are so busy. The birds are so busy to making their nest. Occasionally you can see squirrels running around. I wonder how these birds and squirrels communicate with each other. He is also talking about birds and squirrels, and he is also exclaiming, see, all these birds and squirrels are how they are communicating with each other. How they are communicating each other. Their communication must be better than ours because I don't see any quarrels among them, he said. And he's also talking about the goodness of animals and birds, especially squirrels and birds. They are communicating each other without fighting each other. So he's telling the communication of squirrels and birds are far better than our communication because they are not at all fighting each other. They are peacefully communicating the things. But in the case of human being, we are unable to communicate peacefully. We may fight each other. That's why Ram is saying, I feel better with the communication of birds and squirrels.